Usain Bolt is one of the towering personalities in athletics. He is the world record holder in short distance sprint events of 100 meter and 200 meter and a hat-trick Olympic champion. He had earned the title Lightning Bolt with a timing of 9.58 seconds in the 100-meter sprint event. The book Faster Than Lightning, My Story, is all about how his talent was recognized, redefined, and boosted up to be the fastest man in the world. The book gives the reader a glimpse of his family, lifestyle, and the sports culture in Jamaica. Usain Bolt was born and brought up in Coxyet, a small village in Jamaica. He was a big, restless kid full of energy and loved sports. He was interested in cricket initially until one of his teachers in primary school was impressed with his speed as a bowler and asked him whether he can run with another child in the same school in a race. That teacher also offered him a treat if he wins the race. Bolt won the race, and that was the turning point in his life. Bolt was a competitive person right from his childhood. Winning races gave him happiness and contentment. Losing was almost unimaginable for him. However, it does not mean that he had never lost, but he has never lost to somebody twice in a big event. In this book, Usain Bolt gives a detailed account of all international events he had competed, from the World Junior Championship in the year 2002 to the 2012 London Olympics. He narrates in detail his training methods, strategies, injuries, mistakes, and how he felt about his opponents after every race. Upon reading his experiences, we can understand that mere raw talent or skill does not make a world champion. Fitness, both physical and mental, and deliberate and disciplined efforts to maintain it is very essential. Bolt has narrated a few instances where he was defeated in a race because of lack of physical and mental fitness. Bolt also tells us how important is self-awareness and discipline for an athlete. It is very surprising to know that Bolt suffered from scoliosis, a physical condition of curvature of spine. He sought medical support and even changed his coach, whose training programs only made him suffer physical pain. Under his new coach, Mr. Mills, who had designed a training program by attending to his physical condition, he overcame that challenge. Even then, he was living a lavish life and occasionally skipped his training schedules out of overconfidence and a carefree attitude towards the game. In the year 2010, he met with a car accident that almost killed him. The miraculous escape from that accident transformed his approach towards the game. The book is an incomplete one. It was published in 2013 after his victory in the 2012 London Olympics. In this book, Bolt calls himself a legend, and being true to his word, he clinched his third consecutive gold medal in 100 meter and 200 meter sprint events in the 2016 Athens Olympics. Faster Than Lightning, My Story is an autobiography that is truly engaging and inspiring.